So, part three of the module on influence and leadership is about assisting your own leadership journey, and it's a section about reflection, self awareness, and mentoring. The importance of reflection in your leadership journey is it gives you the ability to assess experiences you've had and things that you've done and learn into the future. So, the first part of this module is looking at self-reflection for leadership development. I've attached an article which is called The Role of Self-Reflection, Emotional Management of Feedback, and Self-Regulation Processes in Self-Directed Leadership Development. It's obviously a huge mouthful, the article, but it's an important reference in that it's showing that reflection is a really important part of your leadership journey. So being able to look back at experiences you've had and reflecting upon them gives you really valuable tools for the future to become a better leader. This is going to form part of the assessment for this module as well, to review and reflect upon your experiences at work. And this can provide you with a platform of just building some of your leadership development skills. And it can also give you a prompt to ask questions of people in the future or share experiences as well. Another part that's important about reflection is having a network of mentors and sponsors around you. They're particularly important to provide a good sounding board for advice throughout your career progression. One of the differentiations I want to make is between a mentor and a sponsor. A mentor is someone that you're able to bounce ideas off, just generally chat to. The difference with a career sponsor is someone who will support you through your career, not unlike a mentor, but they actually promote and support you in your career path, and they provide, I guess, someone who's going to promote you and look after you into the future. So there is quite a big differentiation. Career sponsors are found to be really valuable for leadership development and progression as well. So again, part of the assessment I would like you to do for this module is looking at finding those mentors or even better sponsors who you can grow with, and they can provide you with some leadership experience and advice, and hopefully will be an influential person that you can call upon throughout your career. So I've attached a short article as well, just about the importance of mentors and sponsors for leadership development. The advantage of having someone who knows you really well is that they start to understand your default modes of operation. And what we talked about in part one of this module was just the different styles that people have, and I guess some of those ingrained habits that they just come naturally to you. Sometimes it's harder to see them yourself. You need that trusted mentor or advisor to point out some of the things you're doing well or badly. So I think building this network of good mentors and sponsors is really important to identify gaps in your skills and to help your career progress.